do you want? Nice looking at those pictures. Oh.
A duck.
A doggy book. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Good. So you say, I want Play-Doh.
A Play-Doh.
I want Play-Doh, please. Right? I want Play-Doh, please. All right, I'll go get it. Doing a great job. Let's do a few more minutes, okay? Here you go. That's the Play-Doh.
Open.
Beautiful. Open the box. Nice talking. What color are we gonna get? We have pink. Oh, this one's a blue. That's black.
Of course she likes black.
You know what? Like all the kids, they all go for that one.
And it
like,
makes
there's
her
all these
nails
colors.
look like she was in the dirt.
What'd you say?
Whenever I'm
Maybe
talking,
because I never
she
had that
starts
one.
rambling.
Yeah.
Like when I'm not giving her attention, if I'm on the phone, it's like crazy.
Open.
Open, please. Can you say open, please?
Open.
Good girl. Open, please. Wow. What should I do? Take it out? Say take out.
Meow.
Good girl. Here's your dough. Here's your Play-Doh. Oh, there's a piece there. What about this one? What should we do with that one?
Open.
Say open it,
Open.
please.
Please.
Yeah, good girl. That was nice. Okay, what do I do now?
Eat out.
Good, good remembering. Take out. Good job. Oh no, it's stuck. Can you help me? Thanks.
Honey.
There you go. There's more dough. Should we squish them together? Squish. One big one.
Wait.
Squish. Squish the Play-Doh. What do we need now, Sophie? What are we going to do to it now? What's this?
Oh, cow.
Oh, we can? I don't have a cow shape. But we need this first.
A cow.
You want to roll it? Watch out! I'm gonna roll your hands. Roll it. Roll it. Okay, you try it. Your turn. Awesome. Good talking. Good job. Okay, now we can make something. Say, I'm ready. I'm ready to make something. I'm gonna give you some things to choose. Okay, let's see. We can make. Where is that? We can make a car. We can make a plane, or we can make a mouse. What do you want to make?
Car.
Make a car. Can you say make a car? Okay, go ahead. Flip it over this way, though. Push it down. All right, take it off. Whoa, what did you make?
Car.
A car. Did you show Mom? Say, look, a car.
Car.
Tell her, say, look.
Look.
Good job. Very good. All right, let's make more. Do you want to make a mouse or a plane?
A plane.
A plane is right here. I think it'll fit right there. Go ahead. Push it down. All right, take it off. Whoa. An airplane. Good. Show Mom. Say, look. Mom, look. Show her. Over there. Say, look. A plane.
Plane.
Good girl. Nice showing. Okay, we have one more to make. We have a plane and a car. Now we need to make this one. What is that? A mouse. A mouse. I need more dough, right? More dough? Okay, make a mouse. You want a blue one? No mouse? Do you want the mouse? Yes or no?
A clean up.
Oh, clean up time. Say no mouse. I'm all done. Alright, we have to put those in the cup. And I'll put this one in the other cup. It fits. Can you give it to me? Good, listen. Are you all done? All done with the dough? Get that off our table. Good job. We stayed pretty clean on that one.